All right, everybody. So I have a little reminder for you today about key boxes. These beautiful, lovely things provide you access into a home. However, we would really like for you to use them correctly. And I'm specifically talking about how you put the keys back into the key container. This guy right here, okay? So as you know, you go through, you access the box. Yes, I'm using an active key, but it's because mine is currently recording this video. So you've got the go ahead to press the key container. You can see in this little thing, it's got a picture of keys, okay? You dump them out, access the house, you're going to put them back. This little symbol right here says no key. Okay, so I get brought a lot of boxes that are destroyed because somebody puts the keys here and then when it goes into the box, it gets jammed. The keys get jammed in between this and the side of the box. It destroys the box, costs the broker or the listing agent money. We don't want that to happen. So please always remember to put them back where the key symbol is, not where the little X is. Don't put it this way, please, 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 okay? Put them back in. Now, it should be easy to put it back in. It's just go a little click. If you get resistance, don't jam it. Please don't hit it or force it because that means something is hung up. Take the key cradle back out, check to see what's going on, and make sure you put it back in correctly. If you jam a box, please be upfront with the listing agent about it so that they know, so they're not surprised. Also, what happens, guys, as a reminder, some people only have one set of keys. I know you should have more than that, but sometimes the situations you have one set of keys. So please be aware, please be mindful, please ask us if you have questions about how to use the boxes correctly, and please be respectful of the listing agents and their boxes. We don't want boxes destroyed out in the marketplace. If you have any questions, let us know.